Hi everyone, it's Laura Christine, and today we're going to talk about herbs that we use from our garden for the holidays. Herbs like thyme, parsley, rosemary, and sage. Sage is one of those herbs that I equate with the holidays. It reminds me of turkey. Well, I put it in my stuffing, so it's no wonder that it does. I also put it in an herb butter. This aromatic, earthy flavored herb is a perennial, which means it comes back year after year. It's got some wonderful potential health benefits, things like it's an anti-inflammatory, it's an antioxidant. It also can help you with sore throat or anything in your mouth that you have problems with. It's a digestive aid. Sometimes I will chew on this. It's strong, but sometimes when I have a stomachache, I will chew on a leaf, but that's just me. It is loaded with wonderful nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin K. Vitamin K is a blood clotting agent. It also is good for your immune system. It has calcium and magnesium. It has vitamin C, so it's really packed with vitamins and minerals that are good for you. It's been around for centuries. You can find it in traditional medicines like Ayurvedic and traditional Chinese medicine. Nowadays, we put it in supplements. We also use it in massage therapy, homeopathy. There's a whole bunch of uses for this wonderful herb. But swinging back around to the holidays, it's reminiscent to me of turkey, Thanksgiving, stuffing, herb butter. It's a great perennial to have. Our next herb that is popular at the holiday time is this guy right here. This is rosemary. Rosemary is a wonderful herb that is from the Mediterranean. They are an evergreen, and it gets really tall. I haven't trimmed this down, but when you trim it down, it gets a little bushier. I had trimmed that down before, so you can see it's a little bit bushier back there. It'll get 3 to 4 feet high if you let it. This also is used in a lot of cooking. It's been around, once again, just like the sage, it's been around in traditional medicine for thousands of years. It's good for concentration, memory, cognitive function. It's loaded with antioxidants. It's great for your immune system, and you just can't beat it. Rosemary is a perennial in moderate climates. I'm here in the Midwest. I'm in zone 6, and it does not survive our winters. So a lot of times I bring it in, and it's really finicky when it's inside. I've tried several different things. This plant hangs on as long as it can. As soon as the temperatures start warming up over 40 degrees, I try to get it out in the sun in the springtime. It's, to be honest, it's about half dead when I put it out because it does not like to be indoors. But it is a perennial in moderate temperatures, so I would say that it's zone 7 and above, so 7 through 10. It does, of course, much better because of the weather. How to use this herb? Of course, we can use it in our cooking. I use it in herb butters, but you can also even just take a sprig and sniff it, and it will help your cognitive functions. You can also steep it in boiling water as a tea. You can dry it. You can infuse it in oil. You can infuse it in vinegar. It's got, obviously lots of medicinal properties to it. It's just a wonderful herb. This is our next herb that you can use for the holidays. This is thyme. Thyme comes as an annual and also as a perennial. And these two plants, this is a regular thyme. It's a traditional flavor of thyme. That is a perennial. As you can see, it's kind of bushy. And then over here is more of a creeping thyme. This also is a perennial, and this is a lime scented thyme. What I like about thyme is this is as big as this plant is going to get. It's about 6 to 8 inches tall. It's very compact. And as you can see, I've got it in almost like you can grow it in a rock garden per se. Thyme is great in Mediterranean. It's been used in Mediterranean, French, and Italian cuisines. And of course, like I said before, we use it in our holiday dishes here in this country. It has a lot of traditional medicinal uses, immune system, cognitive functions, antimicrobial, antibacterial. It's just plain old good for you. And it's super easy. You can dry it. You can use it fresh. You can use it in a tea. You can use it in a tincture. So like the other herbs, you can't lose with it, and it's fun to use it in lots of things. And you can also infuse it in oils and vinegars too.